What is social media marketing? Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of social media marketing. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring influencer, or just someone curious about the power of social media, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Before we dive into what social media marketing is, let's first understand what social media is. Social media refers to websites and applications that allow users to create and share content, as well as engage in social networking. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok have become an integral part of our daily lives. Now, imagine leveraging the immense popularity and reach of these platforms to promote products, services, or ideas. That's where social media marketing comes into play. Social media marketing is the process of utilizing social media platforms to connect with your target audience, build brand awareness, drive traffic, engagement, and conversions. Social media marketing can be incredibly powerful because it allows you to directly engage with your audience in real time. It enables businesses to reach a wide range of people, regardless of their location or demographic. Plus, it provides an avenue for two-way communication, allowing you to listen to your audience, gather feedback, and respond promptly. Social media marketing comprises various components that work together to achieve your goals. First, you have content creation. This involves creating compelling and relevant posts, images, videos, and other types of content that resonate with your audience. Quality content is key to capturing attention and encouraging engagement. Next, we have analytics and data. Social media platforms provide valuable insights and analytics that help you understand your audience's behavior, preferences, and demographics. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions and optimize your marketing strategies. Another crucial aspect of social media marketing is advertising. Most social media platforms offer paid advertising options that allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This helps you reach the right people and maximize your return on investment. Now, let's talk about some key benefits of social media marketing. First and foremost, it helps increase brand awareness. By establishing a strong presence on social media, you can reach a wider audience and make your brand more recognizable. Additionally, social media marketing enhances customer engagement. It provides an opportunity to interact with your customers, answer their questions, and address their concerns directly. This fosters trust and loyalty, leading to long-term relationships with your audience. Moreover, social media marketing can drive traffic and conversions. By strategically placing links to your website or online store, you can redirect interested users to take desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Lastly, social media marketing allows you to stay ahead of the competition. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is essential to stay relevant and competitive in your industry. It provides a platform to showcase your unique value proposition, And there you have it, an overview of social media marketing. Thanks for watching.